Welcome back. You're watching Good Life. It's very important to create surprises and keep the excitement alive in a relationship. And these surprises need not be expensive. They could be something as simple as lighting a candle for dinner or cooking something special. Planning and doing an activity together lends meaning to a relationship. Earlier, Mini Menon caught up with psychotherapist Swati Desai Chaudhary to discuss how personal touch can make a difference.
It's extremely important to keep the romance alive. The type of attention you pay each other in the beginning of a relationship, when you're falling in love, it's hard to keep up with the same pace, of course. And that's why it becomes even more important to think about in your daily life how you can create simple surprises or how you can keep the personal touch with each other. By simple surprises, I mean you don't even have to have like diamonds and these really highly romantic, not even that, but you may want to cook something and then create a surprise around that. You may want to light a candle for lunch, or maybe mail a card to your husband or to your wife to their office, saying something nice about them, so they get that kind of a surprise. The other thing is couples have certain kinds of likings, like spiritual orientation sometimes, such as yoga or meditation. And if they do it together, or if they create a routine of maybe taking a walk together or something like that, that can create a sense of intimacy.
Some kind of joint work so that the bonding is stronger. Now, just talking about surprises, here's a clip from this film Yuva with Ajay Devgan and Isha Deol. Let's quickly have a look at that and then discuss that.
Excuse me. कहाँ ले जा रहे हो?
चलो ना।
कहाँ ले जा रहे हो?
24 परगना।
कहाँ?
वहाँ एक छोटा सा गांव है। दिल्ली में बैठकर पॉलिटिक्स और इकोनॉमिक्स की थियरी तो पढ़ ली, अब उसका इस्तेमाल करना भी सीख लो।
वाह, यही बात तुम्हारी मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है। पहले फ्रेंच क्लास में घुस के मुझे उठा के किसी सिनेमा हॉल या विक्टोरिया में ले जाने के बजाय किसी गन्ने में ले जा रहे हो।
That was, of course, from the movie Yuva. Swati, now in this case, of course, I recommend that our viewers don't try this because the wife will definitely get sacked after something like that. But this is not necessarily a romantic surprise. So are you saying that any surprise is good?
I believe that this is sort of a good example because it's not something very different from what he would have done. He wanted to take her to that village and they wanted to do whatever that political activity was around that. But instead of just calling her and planning it with her, what he did was he kind of created a surprise for her, and he knew she was going to like it. And she says that that's the part I like about you the most, that instead of taking me to a movie hall, you're taking me to this village or whatever. So there is a surprise element, and there is instead of doing the same thing in a regular way, he did it differently.
And in terms of a joint activity, as you mentioned, spirituality, yoga, something of that sort, given the kind of hectic routines these days, the fact that you're hardly possibly even in contact with each other because of the kind of timings you keep, how can you keep this element going?
Yeah, and actually that's a good point, because that's why it becomes so important to take a little bit of time out of your usual routine and create a space just with the two of you. Because especially when both of them are working, both the spouses are working, it becomes very hard to even keep in touch with each other. You're too tired at the end of the day and so on. So if you create a routine, that kind of stuff can create a lot of intimacy, because basically you're doing something where you're contemplating, where you're paying attention to yourself and to the other person.
This is okay if you have, you can enjoy some bit of freedom and privacy. What happens if you have family staying with you? Because a lot of Indian families actually live in joint families, and B, you have children. Then how do you manage to get your space in this?
If you have family staying with you, then it becomes even more important to go out of the house to a yoga class, or to go for a walk, or as I mentioned, to go to a retreat for 2 days without having anybody with you. Because our tendency in Indian life is to do everything on a social level. Whenever we are going out, it's like, you want to come and that person, let's take the kids along. But I mean, that's great, that creates a good family atmosphere, but it loses the personal touch, and sometimes one of the spouses needs that personal feeling.
Swati, most people in a relationship don't even realize that their relationship has become boring and staid, and perhaps needs their excitement. So when should you start doing something like this?
When should you, like you said, most people don't even recognize it, but there comes a moment, and I have to say this, it's never too late. There comes a moment when you sort of, start complaining about each other, or you one of the spouses gets a feeling that the personal touch is not there or something like that. It is when that person gets a feeling that is definitely the time to start it. In ideal terms, you should start it right away. Don't wait to reach that kind of. And I don't agree that because everything is going well, it's okay, you know, why create these kinds of things? Because from the long-term point of view, it is so important to actually feel that for each other. And just like I said, especially for modern couples who have independent minds, there is that expectation of personal touch and personal desire. And so it becomes even more important to do these kinds of things.
So just come up with simple surprises and see the romance grow in your relationship. Another aspect that does wonders is a touch of motherly love. Next week, Swati will discuss that in detail.